To be able to get all of that from a single assay is almost the holy grail of what we're after. Currently in our current standard of care technology, we're running, if you like, a battery of tests on every sample. By running one Oxford Nanopore technology test, we should be able to replace multiple tests. Part of our work is to understand the flexibility of the data that comes out of Oxford Nanopore technology. We're looking at methylation, we're looking at SNPs, we're looking at genome-wide coverage, and we're looking at kind of fusion calling. The key point of the work is really to get a rapid classification of the tumour, so that tells us exactly which subtype of tumour we're looking at. The next part is to look at specific genes, and that directs a targeted therapy for patients, and the sooner we can kind of get that result, enables patients to start on that therapy. The other aspects from the test are genome-wide copy number variation. To be able to get all of that from a single assay is almost the holy grail of what we're after in the labs to kind of get to.